Hello everyone. So in this video we will set up a MySQL using the GitHub Copilot CLI, and we will try to insert the statement. Even we will try to create the statement using the GitHub Copilot CLI. So let's get started. So first of all we'll use the Docker. So again we already tried a Docker command previously. So let's again ask GitHub Copilot CLI for Docker command. If I say, let's again try that. And we want a full command. Again let's try. Okay, it has given now. Now previously it didn't go give a full command. So this is an AI. Sometimes it happens, but if you try again, or maybe if you change or twist the command prompt, then perhaps you will get it. So here docker run -c, that's an environment root part for, and then you have MySQL, then you require a container name as well. But before that you must have some uh, Docker installation. You can ask other GitHub Copilot for the installation command, or you can simply say that let's ask um, apt installation command, or you can simply say it in a human language like uh, Ubuntu uh, command for installation of Docker. Let's see whether we can get or not. Again, it's an unpredictable, but mostly you will get it. So here we already did this apt get update, and here apt-get or maybe apt, they should be okay. I don't think so we need a systemctl start docker, but it's okay, fine. um, so apt, or either apt-get or install docker.io. All right, so this is working. This is a very helpful command. You don't need to go, this is mostly used when you are working on a, especially in a command line, and do not have an internet direct access, maybe in a server room or somewhere. And even if you have all the access, because nowadays everything is there, but the thing is, you do not try to switch between the system, or you don't need to go. You can directly talk to a CLI, and this is mainly this. CLI is trained for that with the best practices and the commands that it holds. All right, so let's see Docker version. So it's running. Okay, the server is running, then client also is running. So both are running. So now let's go to the previous one, and uh, also we can ask same. Let's try in fact whether we can get uh, in detach mode with container name is my SQL container. Right, let's see. If no, we don't get, then we'll take the previous command. Okay, so now it has given docker run. This is a detached mode. That is mean that it will run a sort of background, uh, and you will not have an interactive terminal. Then you have expose port, the container port, and the port which is exposed outside the container. And then you have a name, that is a container name. Now environment where this is a required one. Okay, so whether it's there or not, set the password using environment. So this is the required environment variable, because when you are trying to log in with the root, you need it. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just copy and paste it. So it's running. So let's wait for some time. Okay, all right, so it's running. Now let's check docker ps, and our MySQL server is running. Now let us also ask GitHub Copilot. Can do is I simply say explain and um, docker exit command to get for bash terminal. So let's see. So that we can get into this terminal. Okay, say for my SQL give sample command in full. So let's see what happened. Okay, look at the things it has already give. Let's try it. So now we are inside the terminal. So here the GH will not work because we are inside the terminal. So but we'll do GH because it is been installed on my Windows as well. So let us see MySQL access denied. So let us ask how we can connect through the root. So this is my VS Code, and here is also GitHub Copilot is there. Pilot explain, and I would simply say um, MySQL login on localhost with root user. Let's see. Give me full command. Okay, so it has given us full command, and I'll just go back to the terminal and I'll simply say okay, it has not copied. Control C whether it should work or not. Okay, it's working. So again it has localhost. Let's see what's the issue. Let's again ask with password. Full command. We want a full command. Let's try again. Okay, so minus p is prompt. So that was the reason it was not asking. So let's try minus p, and now it is asking. So now let us put the password. Yeah, it's now working, right? So now let's see. So database is, and we have all four databases. So now let us create one more database. So I will ask GitHub Copilot CLI for the same. Um, so create table. Say I say MySQL create table command create table users. Say example users command with field. Say ID, um, first name, last name, email, right? And then age. What way else we need it? Password, and role. It should look okay. First name, ID, first name, last name, email, age, password, and role. Um, create table script. I would say script. Let's see what we get it. Oh, I guess Yeah, we got it. We got the full command or full table script in fact. So let us paste it and let's see. No database selected. Okay. Use. So first of all, we'll have to create database. Users DB. All right. Now let us try to run again. Use user DB, and now let us paste again. It's working. Perfect. So this is how the uh, GitHub Copilot CLI can helpful. So now let us ask even a more thing like we need insert statement. All right. What I will do is asking insert statement. So mysql um, insert insert script for users table with with fields. All right, these fields and with 5 records. Right. Let's see. All right, we got it. So let's try to run whether it's working or not. I'll just copy and paste into our terminal. Okay, John in the field list. Unknown column John in the field list. Okay. Uh, John. Okay. So I think there might be some issue of tick or double. So now let's again ask CLI uh, with string values in double quotes. So let's see. Okay, no, it's not giving me the right one. Maybe because itself is using the tip. Okay, let me try again. Okay, now it has at least given. Let's first of all run it and then we can have some confidence on that. I just copy and I paste it here. I just copy again. Okay, it has inserted. All right, all right. That is great. So now let's select star from users. Yes, we have already have 5 records, and now let us try. Uh, say for example, let me ask GitHub Copilot CLI related to, say for example, okay, great. So now MySQL select command for users table where age is greater than 30. Let's see. So okay, so it has given me an explanation, but just give me full command. So this is a prompt engineering. So let's try again. If it does, we can go ahead with it. All right, so it has already given. Now let us try the same thing over here. So we got a 1, and yeah, the Bob is only person who is greater than, because we have not put a greater than or equal to, otherwise it would be Two records. Yeah. All right. So you can play with it. It's required so much practice. More and more you do the practice, it will be very helpful and it's very interesting. It's very excited on that. All right. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.